Hello my people o, our country area father wey dem dey call Charlie Boy don respond to im daughter o after im daughter don call am out say im use im name take dey clout chase for social media o. My people, na welcome to my channel. This is Maureen Gist. If na today be the first time wey be say you dey see me for this YouTube channel, I say thank you for coming o. And I dey for Facebook o, another of my platform wey be say I still dey post video dey go. In case you dey see me for that place, I say welcome also. My people, this whole matter wey be say e dey between Charlie Boy and im daughter. My people, some of una wey be say una no know who be Charlie Boy, na im be dem dey call area father, the chairman of Okada Riders Association. Na entertainer e dey into, na celebrity. So I did a video, maybe I go put the link for the description box, where I talk about how Charlie Boy first of all come out come say e dey proud of im daughter, say because of im daughter na Lexi. I no wan call the full this thing because YT for here dem no dey allow us dey use all this kind of language. So once I say Lexi, una know say na lesbian na I mean. So na so e come talk say im dey proud of im daughter o, say even though say im daughter no be straight, no dey, say even though say im pikin no be straight person, say im dey proud of am. So na im daughter come respond o. Instead of im daughter go say okay papa I dey proud of you, rather e come just talk to im papa rudely for social media. E say im papa just dey form, say on a normal level this im papa no dey ask am wetin e carry, no even know whether im dey exist. Say im papa pursue am comot for house some few years ago. Say as im papa pursue am comot for house, im just manage get return ticket go back to US. Say na im papa dey come out dey come dey clout chase. My people o, na im this Charlie Boy don come o. I go read wetin im talk o. E don come back come say kai, e say wetin im daughter do e shock am o, e shock am. He say the thing shock am o. So make I read am make una hear by una sef. He say oga I swear parenting no easy, not an easy something o. Chai na true o my people. Those of una wey una never be parent, una go understand. Me I understand wetin Charlie Boy dey talk. Na me and my baby the way dey trend these days. Na wetin im talk. Chai una see me as my princess dey tackle me. My post a few days ago about my daughter right to her sexuality open my eyes and expose me to the huge growing community of LGBTQ in Nigeria. Oh boy, e shock me o, I can't lie. Na wetin im talk. My people, as I wake yesterday, I set up a hotline for young people who have challenges communicating with their parents, who needed listening ear. I was on the phone from 9 a.m. till 11:45 p.m. Recorded over thousands calls before I lost count. I had to shut down. My ear don full. Na wetin Charlie Boy talk o. May I continue my people, no be small thing. I heard story that made me teary eyes. The emotional trauma the LGBTQ community is going through among the numerous wahala we face in this country. Na wow my people. Parents must understand sometime that their child, e say some abeg I no want to dey read am, make white so that they go fit monetize this my video. I no dey the one be say when I read finish dem no go monetize am. So im come dey talk say make I read another one. Say our influence and nurture for our kids is not more than 20%. 75% of their life is under abeg some kind things wey be say im talk, wey be say if I read am now this video go enter voice me. So im don come out o. Im say as im daughter for me I just feel say the daughter just disgrace am, but I just feel say im pikin disgrace am. But from all wetin I just read about this whole thing, I come see am say e be like say na plan work between Charlie Boy and im daughter, so that dem go get the at ten tion of people. You understand? So na the thing wey be say I dey see be that. So make I read some kind things wey be say talk say our society is filled with hypocrisy, and e talk so many things wey be say if I read now this video get as e be. So my people, a lot of people don come now come blast Charlie Boy. Make I read some of the comment section wey be say dem take blast am. They say na so I talk am before say area father and im daughter dey up to something all this while. The man just play. He say dem just dey play game in bid to promote their right to na one say dem wan promote the right to this lesbian wetin na I no want to dey call those names like that. He say the thing wey be say Charlie Boy and im daughter say dem know wetin dem dey do. Say dem wan use this opportunity to create awareness so that Nigeria go recognize those things. And some people say nothing for una, nothing for una. Another person say una don tear the contract. Well done, chai. You must be mumu to say it started from the north. Okay, because again that place wey be say I no read this. Charlie Boy say this whole stuff say na from north na the whole thing start. That is why somebody reply am. Then another person say that plan is dead on arrival by the grace of God. Yes, so that kind of thing no go happen. I don't know why God go create man and woman. Now the truth be that I no just know, because this whole thing get as e be. Person go just dey. You know, go even animal self. Animal na dem dey do. Dem no dey do that kind of thing. Not to talk less of human being wey God create. Go just decide say e no be like this, e na like this. Which kind of thing be that one? I no just understand. So now wow, how una see this thing, my people? A lot of people don come dey call Charlie Boy name, say wetin be the meaning of all that one. So now the one wey be say e want to reign now, e want to bring that kind issue. Say Nigeria no dey accept that kind thing. Say na for abroad na dem dey accept that. One person pikin go just tell him papa say papa o na woman na me I go marry. I no go, if for example say im pikin na woman, im go come tell you say na woman na im go dey do the na woman na two of them go dey jogodo, the two of them go dey kerewa. Dem no go show something. This life Angel Gabriel, if you dey hear my voice, abeg blow the trumpet. This whole thing don pass. Be careful, because I no know how I go just fit take and say I go just wake up from sleep now. I go hear say my pikin wey be say I train go come tell me say papa o, you see na like this I be, no be like this I be, no be the way God create am na so e be. Hey, so according to report wey I hear, they say whether na Uganda president, so one of all this Africa country wey be say they get some kind rugged president, come lock the man and the man together for prison. He say until he go release them till the day wey be say dem born. Say except dem carry belle before he go fit release them. If dem no carry belle, he no go release them. Say so this kind of thing wey Charlie Boy want to promote, e no go work. Na the truth be that na Africa we be. Then in fact the federal government of Nigeria no go support am. And most Nigerians, I know say dem be Christian, dem no go support those kind of things. In conclusion, my country people, Charlie Boy and him daughter, dem no dey quarrel. They just use that thing to create awareness, say they want to promote that their something. So na wetin I just feel be that. I no just feel say him daughter just come disgrace or come insult in papa for public. No, no be wetin e mean by that. They just want to use and get our attention. So my people, now here I wan stop. What are your thoughts? What do you think about this whole thing? Drop your comment for comment section. Have a nice day. God bless you for your support. I love you guys. Bye.